Hello everyone, you are watching RTX Goa's news bulletin with me Kanisha Rodriguez. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Strict action taken on those who have worked against Congress in Lok Sabha election, John Fernandez. I have not worked against my party in Lok Sabha election, Babush Monserrat. Three neighbouring states has conducted a meeting which will be held on 8th May on Kalsa Karnataka Bridge. And Zuari Bridge has no danger for coming more 4 years, Sudin Daulikar. Now the news in detail. Congress President John Fernandez said that there will be strict action taken against those who have worked against Congress in Lok Sabha election. He even said that those who left the party will not be accepted by the party again. They have been discussing on both the issues and action will be initiated soon. He added. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panaji.
The executive committee passed a resolution totally ban the people who left the party from re-entering the party. The second resolution was to take action on those people who worked against the party. I have informed them that I will not be able to take up this committee's work because I am the PCC president. So I have recommended a new committee to be appointed, and this committee will be empowered to take suo motu cognizance of any statement made publicly or otherwise, or any other matter which is referred to this committee will be discussed. Report will be submitted to the PCC president, who is empowered to take action under the Congress constitution. Persons who worked against the party to be disciplined. So those views I put before the High Command. I gave this memorandum to Rahul Gandhi, Vice President, and also to Mr. Digvijay Singh, our General Secretary in charge of Goa. Anybody who wants to leave the party, we never close the doors for them. They should leave the party immediately. If they don't believe in the Congress principles and this, we don't want them in the party. They should leave immediately. They should not compel me to suspend them, because I will not give them that opportunity of getting them suspended and making them unattached. I cannot play any match fixing game in the Congress. Congress has gone down in the dump. My brief is to clean the party of these elements, and that is what I am doing. I am not very fast. I am following the process of law, and I am following the process of constitution, Congress constitution.
I have not done any work against my party in the held Lok Sabha elections, and if I did so, then it will be verified on 16th May, said Santa Cruz MLA Babush Monserrat. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panaji.
Stating that in your constituency you have not worked.
What I said, my statement is very clear. I said I have not told to support this one, I have not told to support this one. So does it amount to anti-party activities? That I am not sure. So that definition I must yet to go through. And see, who sends name where and all that. Let us see. I am just waiting. Let 16th Singham. We will come to know who has worked and who has not worked. On 16th May we will come to know.
And do you feel at this point where the Congress party there were certain hiccups and what is your feeling?
What hiccups? What to tell you about this thing? I tell you, I don't peep myself out of my constituency. I am here. I am in this area only. So let me be focused in this area. Yeah. What is their matter? They are big people, They have been MPs and all this, So I cannot compare myself with them. I am a small person. I said I am not a leader. I have not admitted I am a leader. I said I am not a leader.
But at the moment, the party is on the right track. You feel, because the number of people being removed, number of certain actions, this, that.
See, there is always a saying, Congress is the ocean. People come in, people go out. That is the statement they always make. No.
So you also feel that, like Justice?
I always said. I said Congress is the ocean. Congress. I clearly made. Congress doesn't need Babush. Not Babush needs anyone. So it's very clear. My message is very clear.
Work under Khalsa Karnataka Bridge is going on in full swing. Due to this, 3 neighboring states has conducted a meeting on 8th May, and by implementing around 12 machines, this work is being done. As the order of Mahadai Water Tribunal, 3 states and 3 representatives formed a panel, and this panel will inspect the site, and meeting will be held on 8th May for further discussion. Additional engineer Shrikant Patel will represent Goa. K.H. Ansari from Irrigation Department will represent Karnataka, and Ashok Vasant will represent Maharashtra in this meeting. Let's take a short commercial break.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637 164 777 09822 137 923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
Hello viewers, here is RDX Goa quiz for you. RTC, reference to context. Who said to whom? I once again pledge my soul and my life to this beautiful city. Who said this to whom? Send in your answers to featuresrdxgoa@gmail.com or SMS to 955 22 88 581 and win attractive prizes. Hurry!
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतियाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. PWD Minister Sudhin Davlikar clarified that Zuari Bridge joining Agasai and Kortali has no danger for coming more 4 years. Government procedure for building this bridge is going on. He further said that tender for building this bridge will pass in 1 year and bridge will be completed within 3.5 years. PWD Minister Sudhin Davlikar said that Zuari Bridge joining Agasai and Kortali has no danger for coming more 4 years.
समांतर जुवारीचो जो हे आसा पळय, वी हॅव एप्रूव्ड हे कन्सल्टन्सी सर्वीस. SN Bobe and Associates is a consultant for Zuari Bridge. We could not offer him a work order because of code of conduct. In that case, we are completing all the by end of this month. And work will be started only after placing the work order. बांदतलो मागीर न्ही. आफ्टर कन्सल्टंट रिपोर्ट दितलो, देन ड्राफ्ट रिपोर्ट येतलो सगळो, आनी देन MOU. 1 वर्स वतलें आमकां सगळें प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करून टेंडरींग करपाक 1 वर्सा भितर, आनी सादारण 3.5 वर्सां आमकां कंप्लिशनाक जाय त्या ब्रिजाक.
He said that SN Bobe has appointed as a legal advisor for building Zuari Bridge, and there is a code of conduct appointment letter for this bridge building is not given at the end of this month. Appointment letter will be given, he added.
ताणें रिजिग्नेशन दिले नंतर आमचो दाबोळे सीट आसा, आमी युतीच्या हातूंत आसा, आनी जसो सांताक्रूज दाबोळी आमकां त्या प्रमाणे तो. पूण ते सगळे मागीरच्यो गजाली आनी 3 वर्सांनी परत आमी तशेंच युतीच्या राजकारणान वतले. आमचो आतांच क्लेम आसा. बाय इलेक्शनाचो प्रश्न ताणें रिजिग्नेशन दिले नंतर गजाली ह्यो. 16 नंतर जे जनरल इलेक्शन येतलें थंय युतीच्या राजकारणात तो सीट आमचो आसतलो, कारण आमी तो लूज जाला फक्त 800 मतांनी, आणि तेय बी लास्ट आमच्या लोकांनी घात केलो म्हणून, आणि थोडे काही आर्थीक प्रश्न आशिल्लो त्या खातीर, आणि सीटूय लेट दिलो गेलो ताका.
A 68-year-old woman, namely Prabhavati Monankar, had a narrow escape when a coconut tree came down, crushing on her muddy house in Orole, Vasco on Monday evening. The incident reported at around 5:30 p.m. when the aged woman was working in her muddy house. A tall coconut tree came down, crushing on her old house, damaging 2 muddy walls and the rooftop sheets. The neighbors in the around vicinity rushed to rescue the occupant and intimated the Vasco fire station. The fire personnel rushed to the site within few minutes and started evacuation operation. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco.
मुळान सगळें हें जाल्लो आसा रे, हें जाल्लो स्मेल कसो आसा मरे, तो तेजो वजनान तो पडलो, घरार पडून तेंचे पत्र बी जाले बँड जाले, सगळी वणत बीन तेंची मोडल्या. आतां आमचो हो येवन पळोवन गेलो रे, मिली येवन पळोवन गेलो आमचो. बाकीचे मागीर तांकां एक आतां हेंचो फंड एक दितले सांगला तेणें. बरी वस्तू सगळे फुटोन हें जाल्यात आनी 1-2 लाखाचें अशें लुकसाण जालें.
कोण ना सांग, आमी आयले हांगा, आयले जाल्यार घरार माड पडला म्हणटरी आमी रोखडेंच चालू केलें काम आमचें. तेजे वणटी बी गेले, वाशे बिशे सगळे तुटले, सगळे जाले, काबार जाल्ले आसा. पूण आमी आतां तो काडपाची हें करता, ट्राय करता आनी काडटले आमी ते.
Tuvain Kamuli landlords have opposed to build Tuvain Kamuli joining bridge. Mandra MLA and Health Minister Lakshmikant Pasekar held a meeting with all the residents to discuss the bridge issue, and later an appropriate decision on this was taken. Vinod Mehta reports from Perne.
सर जे असले ते ऑफिसर्सांक आमी सांगलेलें अशें की तुमी वचून पुलाची अलायनमेंट फायनलायज करा. अलायनमेंट फायनलायज करतलो कितें कुट्यो किंवा कितें ते मार्किंग करा, आणि प्रत्यक्ष काम सुरू करच्या पयलीं संबंधित लोकां कडेन उलयतले, कोणाचें कितें नुकसान जाता, कितें चेंज करणें शक्य आसा जाल्यारूय ते पळयतले, आणि त्याच्या नंतरच काम सुरू जातलें. हे कित्याक म्हटलें तेवूय सांगता. त्यामुळे एक्विजिशन पूर्ण जावन जमनीचो ताबो घेतल्या शिवाय सरकारचो थंय हक्क प्रस्थापीत जायना.
बहुतेक म्हाका दिसता 49 सही आसा हेच्या हितून, आनी तेंच्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन घेतलां. आज ह्या जो आसा काय ना सध्या एक्विजिशन म्हणजे एक्विजिशन अजून जावपाक ना, फक्त सर्वे चालू आसा. त्या सर्वेक तेंच्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन घेतलेलं आसा, आणि त्याच प्रमाणे हे जे पदाधिकारी आसा हितून, त्या हितून आमच्या एक कमिटी आसा, त्या कमिटीच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी आयज ह्या हेचे बहिष्कार घातलेलो आसा. तो पळोवंक गेलो जास्तचे ते ना, ओनर अशें कोण ना, ते हे जी नांव आसा डबल टिपल नांव आसा. त्या वखदार तुमकां आतां मिनिस्टर हेचे संबंधी डिटेल्स ह्या सांगतले, आणि हो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा तो आमच्या गांवाच्या दृश्टीन नाही तर एक तालुक्याच्या दृश्टीन सुद्धा एक महत्वाचो.
हांकां नाका, आमकां एक रोड आमकां नाका. जो रोड आहा त्या रोडा प्रमाणे येवन ह्या रोडाक जॉईन जाता. हे जे 2 गोटे आहात म्हणटा ते गोट सायटी ना सांगता मागीर सांगा न्ही, म्हाजे हांवें कितें जाय तें सांगता तुका. ते जे गोटे म्हणटा न्हू ते सायटीक आहा न्ही, आहा त्या रोडान येवपाचो.
Snow falling was reported at Kotigaon on Monday, and people were shocked on this incident, which occurred at 6 o'clock in the evening with wind and heavy rainfall. Local residents also said that ice crystals were seen falling along with rain. This is the first time the incident was reported in Kotigaon. Babesh Borkar reports from Kanakana.
पावस भरपूर सुरवात जाली पडपाक.
कितल्या सुमार?
सोक
सुमार. मागीर
आणि पावस आणि लायटिंग जावपाक लागले आणि आवाज जावपाक लागलो,
आणि त्या गडगडाचेर आयस पडले सारखे.
आयस पडले. कितले कशें आमच्या रासर पडत रावले.
रासर 10 मिनिट
जेन्ना गडगड मारतालो पळय न्ही, आणि ते वीज जालें पळय न्ही, त्या हेजेर मोठी आयस पडले सारखे.
हाजे पयलीं बी अशी असो अनुभव केन्ना आयला अशी गाराचो पावस बी
ना बाबा आमकां आयलो ना, निदान खोतिगांव
केन्ना तरी केन्ना पळयलें ना अशें अचानक. असं हांव असो वयतालो पळय न्ही तेन्ना सारकें म्हाकाय दिसलें ते
आयस पडले.
आयस पडला.
आतां म्हळ्यार मेल्ट जालो सगळो.
आतां मेळट जालो. 1 वर सुमार पावस पडला हांगा.
आयज कितले वेळ पडला सादारण?
Panjim branch of Bombay High Court have ordered that government and CCP should submit affidavit for the work of constructing a concrete road from Miramar to NIO Circle. Social activist and advocate Iris Rodriguez has filed a case in court against the construction of this road. He further said that this work is complete illegal and government money is getting wasted in this project. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panaji.
The Penjim bench of the Bombay High Court was today pleased to direct that notices be issued to the Goa government, Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation and the Corporation of City of Penjim on the petition filed by me against the concretization of the Miramar-Donapal road, which is currently underway at a whopping cost of 72 crores. The court has directed the Goa government, the GSIDC and the CCP to file their affidavits and has adjourned the hearing of the PIL to 7th of May. I have in my PIL pointed out to the court that the Miramar-Donapal road, which was hot mixed in mid-January this year at the whopping cost of 1.3 crores in less than 3 months, that same road which was in an excellent condition is now being dug to be concretized. I have also pointed out to the court that this work is being carried out without consulting the Corporation of City of Penjim. The corporators have not been consulted. The Commissioner has merely issued a NOC while the election code of conduct was on, has issued a NOC to the GSIDC. Now it so happens that the Commissioner of the City of Penjim, Mr. Sanjit Rodrigues, is also the Managing Director of the GSIDC. So what Sanjit has done, without consulting and taking into confidence the corporation body, he has himself given an NOC to himself. And the work has started. The work is totally illegal and it is a squandering of public funds. I have today pointed out to the court that this is a daylight robbery of the state exchequer because a newly laid and hot mix road in less than 3 months cannot be dug up again to ensure that the road is concretized. In my petition, I have also pointed out to the court as to how very recently a road in Kunkalim was concretized and immediately crores of rupees are now being spent to again hot mix that road because the concretization of that road was a total failure.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Goa is a paradise, and in this peaceful and lovely location, you have one more heaven, and it's Amonkar's Boutique Hotel in the world-famous picturesque location Miramar. May it be stay, business, family, parties, or leisure. Amonkar's is equipped with the best for your comfort. Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, rooms, restaurant, and lounge.
Welcome back. Margaon MLA Digambar Kamath have taken a decision of putting up water tank at Sonsodo Margaon, as there are incidents of garbage dumps at Sonsodo catching fire, and this decision has taken during the last session meeting. He was speaking to media after inspecting the site for the setup of water tank. He further assured of solving all the issues related to Sonsodo after discussing with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Mandar Naik reports from Margaon.
आम्ही वरची मिटींग जाल्ली पळय तातूंत डिसिजन घेतलें की आज हांगा मेळटलें सायटीचेर हांगा एक्चुअल प्रॅक्टिकल डिफिकल्टीज कितें आसा तें पळयतले ताका आतां फायर ब्रिगेडीचोय इन्चार्ज आशिल्लो तोय हांगा आशिल्लो अशें ठरलां की मदीं मदीं केन्नाय उजो लागता सडनली ताचे खातीर एक मेकॅनिझम वर्कआउट केला की हांगा तांचे कडेन आतां टाकी आसा 8 दिसां भितर तांची टाकी जातली चालू फायर टेंडर जें हांगा येता तें हांगाच तांकां उदक दिलें वतलें आणि ताका सांगलां की स्लायड धुंवर जर आयलो जाल्यार इमिजिएटली दे वील इन्फॉर्म फायर ब्रिगेड आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी इमिजिएटली फायर ब्रिगेड वील मेक अरेंजमेंट टू सेंड द टेंडर आनी जात जाल्यार फोम मारून पयलीं सुरवातेक धुंवर आसतनाच फोम मारलो जाल्यार तो उजो रोखडो ना जाता ते फोम मारून ते ट्राय करतले आनी ना जाल्यार कंटिन्युअसली वॉटरिंग करतले खंयच्याच परिस्थिती डिले जावपाक जायना म्हणजे बेसिकली कितें जाता एक्शन जर लेट जालें कारण खूब फावटी आसता की बिल्डिंगेचो उजो न्ही तो घराचो उजो न्ही गार्बेजीचो म्हणटकीर एक वेळा देर इज अ रिस्पॉन्स टायम चड वता तो जावचो न्ही आनी ताणें ऑफिसरांनी सांगलां दे आर मार्कींग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू वन ऑफिसर ताचें नांव हांगाच्या तांच्या रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हसां कडेन दिल्लें आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन दिल्लें आसा दुसरो इशू एक आमी म्हणला की हाय पावर कमिटी जी आसा चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या अंडर ताजी एक मिटींग जाता तितले बेगीन घेवची तातूंत भितर एक इशू आसा तो हाजो की मेडिको वेस्ट पळय आहा ताजे संबंधी एक हांगा समज आमी कितें वर्कआउट करतले तर ताजे संबंधी एक त्या हाय पावर कमिटीन डिसिजन घेवचें कारण खूब कडल्यान आतां डिमांड येता की हॉस्पिटलाची जी वेस्ट आसा तिजे सिरियस प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक लागला त्याच बरोबर कॅपिंग पळय जें करपाचें आसा ताजेय ऑलरेडी तांणी PWDक धाडिल्लें आसा खंय हाका टॅक्निकल सँक्शनाक तें आज सांजचो इंजिनियर वचून व्हेरीफाय करतलो कितें पोजिशन आसा तें आनी त्याच भशेन लँडफील सायटा खातीर कटिंगाचे NOC मागपाक ती चीफ टावन प्लॅनराक गेल्ली आसा ते दोनी फायली इंजिनियर वचून आज परसू करतलो आनी सांजचे आमकां सांगतलो आनी हे इश्यूसी जाय जाल्यार हाय पावर कमिटीच्या मिटिंगे मुखार आमी डिस्कस करतले अशें आज थारलां.
सो मडगांव भितर जायते बिन्स डस्टबीन गार्बेज सगळे रस्त्याचेर पडलेली आसता
गार्बेजीचेर आतां तें डिस्कस केलां एक म्हणजे आतां माडेला ट्रायल बेजिसाचेर चालू केल्लें हावस टू हावस तशें आखें तें हातून चालू करप ताजे खातीर तांचे कडेन बिन्स ना आतां DMA कडेन आमी काल उलयल्ले आनी DMAन सांगिल्लें की आमकां अजून प्रपोजल पावना आज किंवा फाल्यां पर्यंत तांचें प्रपोजल DMAच्या ऑफिसांत पावतलें कितले मिनिमम 2000 बिन्स जाय तांकां ट्रायल बेजिसाचेर स्टार्ट करतलो जाल्यार आनी ओवरऑल बाकीचे ज्यो पळय बिन्सांची गरज आसा तेय बी DMA म्हणटा की आपूण दिवपाक शकता पूण आपल्याक तुमचें प्रपोजल जाय तें प्रपोजल तांकां सांगलां आज किंवा फाल्यां पर्यंत तें प्रपोजल DMAच्या ऑफिसांत पावया म्हणून बिन्साचें आनी ताजे भायर डेटा कलेक्शनाचें जें टेंडर काडिल्लें तें आज किंवा फाल्यां तें ओपन करतले ऑलरेडी 2 टेंडर्स आयल्या तें जालें की एक 15-20 दिसां भितर आमी ताका म्हटलां की फूल सिटीचें डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन पळय आहा तें आउटसोर्स करपा खातीर टेंडर काडचें.
Many sports personalities are not pulled towards volleyball sports as there is no money in the sports, said Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza. He was speaking during the final round of this volleyball competition after distributing prizes for the winner of this competition organized by Kunkalam Union. MLA Rajan Naik and other dignitaries were present. Mandar Naik reports from Margaon.
Bari सांज दिवन मात्र आसले सगळे मानेस्त चीफ सेक्रेटरी विजयन तुमचे स्थानिक आमदार राजन नायक कुंकल युनियनचे अध्यक्ष बाब एल्विस गोम्स गोवा व्हॉलीबॉल असोसिएशन अध्यक्ष बाब अवन सुरेश इतर मानेस्त टिमीचे खेळगडी आनी पत्रकार भाव भयणान भावानो आयज आमी एक बरी गेम पळयल्ली आहा ONGC बरो खेळ दाखोवन जिखलेले आहा आनी BP भारत पेट्रोलियम रनर्स अप पूण खेळ बरो जालो बरो खेळ आमकां दाखयलो सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार हे भशेन खेळ पळोवपाक आमकां खूब उणें गावता हांगासर गोंयांत आनी हांव कुंकली युनियनाक शाबासकी दिता ही हो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडल्या बद्दल म्हाका दिसता हे टुर्नामेंटाची आमकां गरज आहा बरो खेळ पळयल्या उपरांत बरे खेळगडे तयार जातात बरे टॅक्नीक पळोवपाक गावतात आनी म्हाका दिसता गेमीची पॉप्युलरिटी वाडटा एका टायमार व्हॉलीबॉल गोंयभर आसताली आयज खूब उणी जाल्या ती आमी परतून पॉप्युलर गेम खंय खेळपाक जाय हांव समजता सरकाराचो एका फूल तेंको आसतलो सगळ्यांनी जाणा जावपाक जाय की व्हॉलीबॉल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर मोठो लागना धाकटुली स्वात लागता एक नॅट लागता एक बॉल लागता म्हणटकूच एका खर्च चड ना तरी आसतना आमचे खेळगाडी फुडें सरनात कित्याक हितून रेवन्यू अर्निंग ना म्हणून म्हणजे हितून पयशे करपाक चड गावना हितून म्हणजे फुटबॉलान पयशे आहा क्रिकेटीन पयशे आहा व्हॉलीबॉलान पयशे ना म्हणटकूच आमी व्हॉलीबॉलान पयशे थोडे हाडचे पडटले हांव ऑर्गनायझरांक शाबासकी दिता स्पॉन्सरांकूय शाबासकी दिवपाक जाय स्पॉन्सर मोठो वांटो आसता हो खेळ घडोवन हाडपाक म्हणटकूच हांव बाब एल्विस गोम्साक तेजे टिमींग आख्खे हो टुर्नामेंट घडयल्या बद्दल शाबासकी दिता दोनूय टिमींग आनी प्रेक्षकांक लोक हांगा एकठांय जाल्यार गेमीची मजा येना.
to Haryana. Point to STC. STC to serve 19-23. Side out 21-23. Change the service. Point to Haryana. 24.
Once again, jersey number 10, Ratish Nair, jersey number 8, Navjit Singh, jersey
Arambol Cricket Club and Maharashtra Season Ball Cricket organized first All Goa Cricket Competition at Arambol. This competition was inaugurated at the hands of Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, Sarpanch Swarna Thakur, Panch and other dignitaries were present. Vinod Mehta reports from Arambol.
रेग्युलेशन सकल सोसायटीज रजिस्ट्रेशन ऍक्ट सकल रजिस्टर जाल्यार आठवडो जालो. ह्या संस्थेन खेळ आणि अन्य सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम असो आपले कार्यक्षेत्र निवडून आजपासून जन्म घेतलेलो आसा. तांच्या कार्याक हांव शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करता.
तरी आम्ही असे ठरवले की क्रिकेटी पुरतीच मर्यादित रावपाचो ना आणि काही जे कल्चरल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आसा हे क्लबातर्फे राबयले वयतले. क्लबाची सुरुवात आसा. जेम तेम क्लबान 40 मेंबर जाल्ले आसा. फुडें क्लबाची मेंबरशिप वाडटली, ओपन केली वयतली.
Before we wind up, here is a quick recap of the headlines. Strict action taken on those who have worked against Congress in Lok Sabha election, John Fernandez. I have not worked against my party in Lok Sabha election, Babush Monserrat. Three neighbouring states has conducted a meeting which will be held on 8th May on Kalsa Karnataka Bridge. And Suwari Bridge has no danger for coming more 4 years, Sudin Davlikar. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.